Yo, what is going on? Good morning. This is Andrew, known as ZERODRAWDREW, Pip Catcher Administration. Welcome back to another video. It is Thursday, September 9th, 2021. We're here for another live call. Now, if you see overnight, we had a strong impulse wave from support. Very, very strong. I expect bears to continue to be trapped all day. In the beginning of the week, I called a buy up to this right shoulder of this daily crown. We pulled back all morning, and right now we're actually getting that move towards that level. So on the 15-minute chart, I am looking at these levels listed on the chart right now. All buyer liquidity is above this 1.38450 key zone. All seller liquidity is down at this 1.38150 zone. Now what's going to usually happen when I see things like this is I usually see bulls get trapped and then bears get trapped. So I'm going to wait for the bear to get trapped for this buy opportunity set up all the way back up to this trend line. It is 8:20 right now. We still need more price action before we make any decision. Things got a little wild these last 15 minutes. There is a possibility that we continue shooting up, but at the same time, we're not going to force anything. We're going to react to what we see and play it by day. But like I said, I think we're going to trap bears before the buy opportunity sets up because right now, price is just shooting up. So we need to wait for that move, and we'll be back in a bit. Like I said, it's 8:20. We still need more data. We'll be back around 9 for more data. Let's go. As you can see, price dropped from what we were talking about before. It's 8.50 right now. We still need a little bit more data before we make our decision. Like I said, I think we're going to trap bulls first and then trap bears. So, like I said, all the liquidity is down at this low right here. So I think we might get one more push down, depending on where we're at in a few minutes. 15, 20 minutes, we'll be back at 9:15. Let's go. Alright guys, it is 9 o'clock right now. We got this hourly doji candle, so we're going to wait a little bit. We might take out these lows like I expected, because we do have this crown right here. I want to see sellers' liquidity be taken over here. So once we get that bear trap, whenever it happens after this little sell-off, that's when we'll make our decision. It is 9 o'clock. We'll be back in about 15 minutes for more data. But like I said, this doji right here looks like a strong indication that we are going to push down to this low at least, and depending on how we react there is where we're going to make our decision. Let's go. Alright guys, as you can see, price bounced off this support level from this engulfing. Like I said, price is going to drop down here. We are going to trap bulls first, then we're going to drop down here, and then we're going to smash the buy when we come down here. But I know that this is a bull trap, so like I said in the beginning of the day, I've seen this move happen a couple times before. We are going to drop down here. We're going to trap bulls, and then we're going to trap bears. But overall, we're going to keep trapping bears for the whole day. This trade is not ready yet, so I'm not going to force anything yet. So price is going to drop down to here, and we're going to look for the entry down there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 9:10. We'll be back in about 5 minutes to see this happen. 9:30. We'll probably get our move, and 9:45. We'll see what's happening. Let's go. As you can see, it is 9:15 right now. See, this is a bull trap. I know we are dropping right down to here. So we'll be back in a little bit to see how we react down there. I'm not gonna take a short right now, but I want to wait for opportunity to freaking set up. So we'll be back in about 15 minutes to make our decision, motherfuckers. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's a shitty fucking day today. I'm feeling impatient as fuck. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm taking a small short right now. We have a 5-minute bull trap, so we're going to capitalize on that. So we're going to drop down to this level like I said. We'll be back in a bit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. As you can see, price is dropping. Short was perfect. We're going to get out of the position pretty soon because like I said, I do want to look for buy opportunities. So we're going to wait for a reaction down here. Maybe we could get another 10 pips out of the trade. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright guys, that's enough. We got out of this position. We're gonna come back for a little bit more. Like I said, I still think we're gonna push down here, but I don't want to see this thing wick on a 30-minute chart. Like I said, we are bullish. We've been trapping bears all day, so I want to go with the overall trend, but all sellers' liquidity is down there. So like I said, I want to see price drop down there. But once that trap sets up, we'll be in there. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. As you can see, right after I said that, right after we got out of position, price took out that level. That's why you want to go with the overall trend. We got a 5-minute bear trap. We're going to look for a buy opportunity at 1.38422 on the next 5-minute retest at, it's 9:37 right now. We need this to close at 9:40. This will probably retest by 9:45, so let's get it. Ooh, and the Richard Millie on a TikTok. Ooh. Alright guys, we're in this shit now. We just smashed the buy right now, so we're gonna hold it all the way up. Like I said, we took out that 5-minute level right here. I'll show you. We took out this 5-minute engulfing, so I think we're gonna start to push up now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright guys, we're out of this position. We're gonna call it a day, and that's it. Let's go.